Good morning, and welcome to a brand new day. Today we're diving into something essential, not just to your fitness journey, but to how you feel, how you think, and how you perform all day long. What is it, you ask? Breakfast. I know. You've probably heard the saying that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But here's the thing, it's true. A good balanced breakfast fuels your body for morning workouts, keeps your brain sharp, and helps you stay focused through whatever life throws your way. So, let's dive into 3 easy, healthy breakfast recipes that are not only delicious, but also quick to make. Let's start with a classic simple recipe, overnight oats. This is perfect for those mornings when you need something quick and hassle-free. The best part? You prep it the night before, so when you wake up, breakfast is waiting for you. No stress, just grab and go. Here's how it works. You'll need rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and a little maple syrup for sweetness. Mix them all together in a jar, seal it up, and pop it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you can add your favorite toppings. Think fresh berries, banana slices, a handful of nuts, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. Next up, we've got something refreshing, light, and energizing, a green smoothie. This recipe is a game changer when it comes to getting a quick dose of nutrients. It's fast, versatile, and you can drink it on the go. You'll need a handful of fresh spinach or kale, a banana, a spoonful of peanut butter for protein, and some almond milk. Blend it all together, and just like that, you've got a nutritious smoothie that's packed with vitamins, fiber, and healthy fats. I know, don't let the color fool you. This green smoothie tastes like a creamy, nutty dream with a hint of sweetness from the banana. It's a great way to sneak in greens, even if you're not a fan of eating salads first thing in the morning. This smoothie is loaded with antioxidants and potassium, which help with muscle recovery after your workout. And the peanut butter? That's your dose of protein to keep you feeling full and help build lean muscle. Whether you're heading to the gym or a morning meeting, this smoothie is the perfect kickstart. And now, let's talk about a modern classic, avocado toast. It's simple, it's quick, and it's oh so delicious. But we're going to take it up a notch today, adding a few twists to make it a protein-packed breakfast that's perfect for fueling your body. Start with a slice of whole grain or sourdough bread. Toast it to perfection while you prepare the star of the show, the avocado. Mash up half an avocado with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a bit of a kick. Spread it over your warm toast, and now we're ready to add the protein. Here's where you can get creative. My favorite is adding a poached or fried egg on top, runny yolk and all. But if you're vegan, don't worry. You can easily swap the egg for a few slices of tofu or even some chickpeas for extra protein. Sprinkle with some hemp seeds or chia seeds for an added nutritional boost. This dish is loaded with healthy fats from the avocado, fiber from the bread, and a good amount of protein from the egg or tofu. It's the kind of breakfast that not only tastes amazing, but also gives you the sustained energy you need to stay focused all morning long. It's perfect for those busy days when you need to be sharp, alert, and ready to take on anything. So there you have it, 3 quick, simple, and healthy breakfast ideas that will set you up for success. Whether you're fueling up for a morning workout or looking for something to keep your mind sharp throughout the day, these breakfasts have you covered. Remember, breakfast is the foundation of your day. It's not just about feeding your body, it's about fueling your mind and your spirit. By choosing nutritious, balanced meals in the morning, you're giving yourself the energy to tackle your workouts, boost your productivity, and stay focused on your goals. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you'll give these recipes a try and see how they make a difference in your day. Until next time, stay healthy, stay energized, and remember, the journey to a better you starts with what's on your plate.